With that, let's invite Mr. Vikas on stage with a huge round of applause.
Hello, good evening, everybody. Unfortunately, due to some emergency, Mr. Vikas could come here, so I will take forward from here. So, SV Group of Companies is a rapidly growing organization since 1996. Mr. Vikas was working with SKF for last 10 years, since from 1996. And then suddenly he took a decision to get into a group of businesses, and we started some businesses like Setco Spindles. In Setco Spindles, we make high RPM spindles from up to 2 lakh RPMs to 6 lakh RPMs. Then in SC Modular Conveyors, we are into warehousing conveyors. Then Nexgen Drying Systems Private Limited. Now we are showing you the product for Nexgen Drying Systems. In Nexgen Hygiene Systems, we are into hygiene solutions. Before COVID, we started this business in 2017 only. Then coming to these agricultural and food processing industries, Vaishvik Foods is a pioneer brand with Eat Well, with instant mixes, canning, and then food products. Welkin Fresh is a farmers producer company where we produce farmer produces, which where the farmers give their produce to our companies like AgriPure and Vaishvik Foods. In AgriPure Natural Foods, we are into cryogenic grinding. The grinding of spices is being done at minus 185 degrees Celsius. And this brand AgriPure is in turn a partner with East End Foods of London. This is the group history of SV Group from 1996 to 2025 now. Coming back to Nexgen Drying Systems Private Limited. Nexgen Drying Systems was first showcased their product in 2005 at Germany, DrinkTech Munich. From there, we have served 20 plus countries, 18 years of legacy, 500 plus customers have been established with us, and 9,000 plus systems have been installed up till date. And we have an infrastructure facility in Pune. These are the systems, one of the systems where we give an acoustic enclosure to our airline drying systems. What this product does is it saves your energy by 70%. Like nowadays, lots of compressed air is used in the industry. So we are replacing the compressed air by a centrifugal blower, high RPM centrifugal blower, which has a low pressure and high velocity air. We have 4 products in 3 HP power system, 5 HP power system, 7.5 HP power system, and 10 HP power system. We have both systems, a belt driven and also a direct driven system. This is the photo of a direct driven system, which has an RPM of around 18,000 RPM with a high velocity of 750 CFM and 38,000 feet per minute. Industries we serve are the packaged food, beverage, textile, medical and pharmaceutical, surface treatments, automotive and accessories, tires and threads. So air knife drying system in the surface treatment industry. So when you are removing the moisture, swarf or the static charge from conveyed materials, looking to unevenly distribute coatings onto a product, Nexgen drying system is a total solution provider for you. What we do, we understand the customer's requirement, we go to their plants with our technician, we take all the drawings and then we prototype a model for them, and if they are satisfied with it, we give them the solution for them. What are the benefits of the airline technology? It increases productivity since it's a continuous line. There's no manpower involved in this, so there's a lot of good working conditions in the company. It reduces the running cost and the maintenance cost. Our drying technology needs the maintenance just twice a year. After every 6 months, you just need to change the air filter for the belt-driven motor, and every 6 months you just need to change the belt for that. So it is less maintenance and it reduces costs. And these are the processes we serve. Like in every process, wherever air piping is done with the help of the compressed air, we replace the compressed air in the customer's end and provide a solution with our air wave drying technology. Like you can see, galvanizing, blue passivation is there, then roll coating is there, hard chrome plating, strip coating plates, powder coating plants, continuous painting booths, anodizing and annealing. These are the manufacturers where we have given the solutions, like steel strip manufacturers, pre-coated sheet manufacturers, steel coil manufacturers, electrical components, automotive components, hardwares, fasteners. This is one of our systems which we have given to John Cockrell recently. John Cockrell is our customer since last 5 years, and for the edge wiping, they are using our systems.
Can you please help him with the video? Please play this video also. So this was a customized solution given to John Cockrell for their edge wiping technology. These are the customers in surface treatment. John Cockrell, Jindal Steel, Mueller Unifab from Gujarat, Jindal Saw, POSCO, Bhushan Steel, and Sri Pre-Coated. These are customers from our automotive industry like TVS, Bajaj, Sandvik, Coromant, Fleetguard Filters, SKF. All are using our solutions for drying solutions for surface drying. In Bajaj, we have a good example. They were using the compressed air for their components. We have replaced it and saved their electricity by around 70%. These are tire industries customers. Tiles for surface treatment also. Okay, thank you so much.